Going beyond the kit lens. Now, chances are your camera shipped with a wide-angle to medium telephoto zoom lens, and this is a great catch-all piece of glass, a wonderful starting point for a variety of photographic pursuits. But when you're ready to up your game and move beyond the kit lens, check out some of these popular lens options. Documentary and landscape photographers greatly benefit from using wide-angle primes. 35mm and wider glass creates context, bringing multiple elements of space and place together in the photograph. Prime lenses have a fixed focal length, which means you'll be zooming in and out by moving closer or further away from your subject. And while this requires a bit more footwork for the photographer, primes generally offer the benefit of larger apertures, faster focusing, and superior image quality. Portraiture artists can also benefit from prime glass. 50mm for a normal field of view is an excellent way to work. Medium telephoto lengths, 85mm all the way up to 200mm, are great for compressing foreground and background, elevating subjects with an ethereal, larger-than-life feel. Sports and wildlife photographers are challenged with bringing viewers closer to the action, and this requires long telephoto glass, 200mm plus. With this much distance between the camera and the subject, optical image stabilization is an excellent feature for reducing hand and camera shake. Sometimes getting close to your subject means closer minimum focusing distances. This is where macro lenses come into play. Designed with magnification and close focusing in mind, macro photographers extol the details, making small things larger. Need help moving beyond the kit lens? Visit B&H. I'm photographer David Flores. See you next time.